When it's time to replace old or broken appliances, one of the key challenges is making sure they are safely and efficiently removed from your home. Whether you're upgrading to newer models or downsizing, preparing your appliances for removal in Austin can make the process smoother, reduce potential damage, and ensure everything is disposed of properly. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get ready for the big move. Schedule your appliance removal in advance. The first step in preparing for appliance removal is to schedule it ahead of time. Most appliance removal services in Austin offer convenient scheduling options. By planning ahead, you ensure the professionals can arrive at a time that works for you, avoiding last-minute complications. Whether you choose a local junk removal company or a larger service, ensure they are experienced in handling appliances, especially if they need to be taken downstairs or through tight spaces. Disconnect the appliances before the removal service arrives. It's important to disconnect your appliances from their power, water, or gas sources. This is especially crucial for large appliances like refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines. Here's how to do it. Refrigerators and freezers. Unplug the appliance and empty all contents. Make sure the refrigerator is cleaned out well to avoid spills or odors. Allow it to defrost at least 24 hours before removal, especially if it has an ice maker or water dispenser, to prevent leaks during transportation. Dishwashers and washing machines. For dishwashers, disconnect both the water supply line and the drain hose. For washing machines, turn off the water valves, then disconnect the hoses. Make sure all excess water is drained to avoid messes. Gas appliances. If you're removing gas appliances like stoves or dryers, it's best to have a professional disconnect the gas line. Austin has local services that can safely handle this step for you. Remove any accessories or parts. Remove any loose parts, racks, trays, or shelves from your appliances to prevent them from shifting or getting damaged during removal. Items like microwave turntables, oven racks, or refrigerator shelves are easily forgotten but should be removed to prevent breakage. If your appliances are connected to water filters or other add-ons, make sure these are detached as well. Ensure proper access for removal. Prepare your home for the removal crew by ensuring easy access to your appliances. Clear any furniture or obstacles from the area around the appliance. For appliances in tight spaces, such as built-in dishwashers or stoves, measure the doorways and hallways to ensure the crew can easily move the items out. If there are stairs, be sure to inform the removal service in advance, as they may need additional assistance or equipment. Check for recycling or donation options. If your appliances are still in working condition, consider donating them to local charities or nonprofit organizations. Austin has a variety of organizations that accept gently used appliances, such as Habitat for Humanity's Restores or Goodwill. Donating your items can be a great way to reduce waste and help others in the community. If your appliance is no longer functional, make sure to choose a removal service that properly recycles appliances. Many parts of your old appliances, such as metal, plastic, and glass, can be recycled. Some removal services in Austin specialize in environmentally friendly disposal, ensuring your old appliances don't end up in a landfill. Double check for personal items or hidden valuables. Before the removal team arrives, take a moment to check the appliance for any personal items that may have been left inside, especially with refrigerators, washing machines, or dryers. Items like forgotten coins, documents, or small valuables can get lost during the removal process. Ensure everything is cleared out, and check your appliances' compartments. Be ready for the removal crew. When the removal team arrives, be prepared to answer any questions they may have about the appliances and their disconnection. Depending on the service, they may ask you to sign a release form or note the condition of the appliances. It's important to clarify beforehand if there are any specific instructions for handling the items, especially if they are fragile or require special care. 8. Confirm disposal and removal details. Finally, confirm the details with the removal service regarding how the appliances will be disposed of or recycled. Some companies may offer to give you a certificate of disposal, which can be helpful for environmental or tax purposes. Make sure to inquire if there are any additional fees for the removal or recycling services so you're not caught off guard. By following these steps, you can make the appliance removal process in Austin as easy as possible. Not only will you ensure your old appliances are disposed of properly, but you'll also protect your home and make sure everything is handled efficiently. Whether you're upgrading your appliances or just decluttering, taking the time to prepare properly can save you stress and time down the road.